Welcome. So now we'll go to the proven secrets of wealth creation and freedom. So, what are the proven secrets of wealth creation and freedom? So, let's go one by one. Desire. You need to have a desire for wealth creation. Like wealth is an energy. It is like it is your mindset. It is your thinking attitude, the desire. You need to have a desire for achieving that. At a starting point, you need to have a desire, that strong desire, burning desire for it. The starting point of all achievements, that is desire. Okay. You need to, like, for attaining extraordinary desire, you need a burning desire. For the goal, you need to have burning desire. So that is the first point you need to have. Write down it, and then we'll connect all those dots. Faith. You need to have faith, 1000% faith. Whatever you are going, and you are going to achieve it, irrespective of whatever happens, you are going to achieve it. Whatever happens, visualize and believe in the attainment of desire. You need to believe 1000% that you already have it. You want it more, you have it, and you move, and you are 100% into it. Universe will give it to you. Okay, that is faith. Second point, write it down. Auto suggestions, the medium of influencing the subconscious mind. You need to, do auto suggestions. Okay, you need to ask yourself, a lot of time. That's why we ask, write goals and do affirmations in your own words. Listen to the strangest secrets, and what will happen, that those auto suggestions will empower your subconscious, and you start doing all these things towards the goal, and you will achieve it. That is the third principle, powerful principle. And then there is a fourth principle, which is specialized knowledge, personal experience, or observations. Like, you need to have a specialized knowledge, not a generic knowledge. Specialized knowledge and personal experience of observations, your own experience, but specialized knowledge to achieve that goal. Like, okay, then imagination is a powerful tool. Like, imagination, the workshop of mind. It is a workshop of mind. The imagination is a unique faculty of humankind that shape, form, gives action to desire. Imagination functions. There are, like, you need to imagine your goal, that you imagine and have a complete, make a painting of your goal, and write the steps, that how you're going to achieve, and then align those tasks to your goal, and imagine that how you are enjoying the process of it. Okay, and imagination, like how it will feel like when you are there, when you have a new car, when you have a big house, penthouse, or when you are earning millions of dollars, how it is going to change your relationships, your life, your everything around you. So imagine that. Okay, this is very powerful tool. Then organize planning. Okay, organize planning, the crystallization of desire into actions. Then you need to organize and plan it into measurable actions with WBS. WBS a tool, work breakdown structure. You make into tasks, big project into activities, then activities into tasks, a task into subtasks. So you need to measure it in a measurable action unit. You make it so that, plan it so that you will do it and then achieve it. Then you need to decision, the mastery of procrastination. Like, you need to make decision that I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it. No delay, no perfection. I will progress rather than perfection. Like, perfection is I will do it right. No, do it, and then get feedback and change, improve it. But don't procrastinate. Don't make decisions, Don't do procrastination, and don't do perfectionism in this. Okay. And then persistence, the sustained effort necessary to include faith. You need to have faith 1000%, simultaneously be persistent on it, and you will get it. And when you are persistent, that is the success, that is the key for success. Power of the mastermind. Like power of the mastermind, you need to go to the mastermind, have at least 5 people, 3 people, whatever, 10 people maximum. You will be like-minded people or having different ideas in there. So do mastermind with them, so who are on the same journey, or they are on different, so that what will happen, that you will get confidence and you can hear from them some ideas, they will help you, and then you will grow. Okay. Then mastery of sex transmutation. So convert, like you need to have a correlative to the principle. It is importance to selecting a compatible partner. You need to have a compatible partner. Okay. With your when you get married or something, relationship, so you need to have a compatible partner. The subconscious mind, the connecting link. So you need to feed to your subconscious mind. It is a connecting link. So it is a universal mind. Okay. You need to get connected to the subconscious mind. When you do meditation, affirmations, goal writing, and when you listen to the affirmations and listen to the Stranger Secrets every day, what will happen, that your subconscious mind will get interlinked with conscious mind. And then the brain, a broadcasting and receiving station of thoughts. It is like brain is a similar like radio station. When you have a radio, so from radio station there would be a frequency which will be aligned. So you need to always think positive, think about your goal. So whatever you focus on grows. So when you are at that frequency for achieving that goal, it will happen. You will get success. So you need to always have that frequency of success. Don't get distracted or defocused. So focus, have that frequency. The sixth sense, the door, the temple of wisdom. So always practice meditation, focus, and so that your sixth sense is activated, and then you work with sixth sense, and like all the senses as sixth sense, and then you will be ultimate successful. You will achieve any goal, any objective of life. And how to outwit the 6 ghosts of fear. What are the 6 ghosts fear? The fear of poverty, the fear of criticism, the fear of ill health, fear of loss of love, fear of old age, fear of death. You need to get out of it. So any which ways we are growing, we are losing our time. So it's already, we are already in the game. So let us not go into that. Let's focus on goals, activities, tasks, whatever are aligned to our goal. Do that. You will get success. Don't worry about all these things. So when you focus, whatever you focus on, it will grow. So focus on the right goal. That's it. You will be always successful. Thank you so much. So we have these are the proven secrets of freedom, wealth creation, freedom. So we'll go to the next video where we'll learn set your monthly income goals clearly, and start reading affirmations daily, and goal writing daily. We'll go step by step. So thank you so much. Rate us at Trustpilot. Also write your experience, your inputs, what you have learned about these secrets and how you're going to apply them. Thank you so much.